Hello friends! Today I created this beautiful Detox Foot Bath Spa and I wanted to share it with you all. Now everyone deserves to pamper themselves every now and then, and one way to do that is by creating a foot bath spa for yourself. So if you're interested in creating this for yourself or for someone else, please keep watching. Now the first thing that you're going to need is going to be essential oils. I have these two. It's tea tree and lavender oil, and I wanted to share with you some of the benefits of the oils. For the lavender is known to reduce stress and anxiety. It also has a natural anti-inflammatory properties and helps with dry skin. Now the tea tree oil helps to smooth your skin, fights bacterial or fungal infections, and is a natural deodorant. The next thing that we're going to need is 4 candles, and I used almond milk. And it's 2 cups of almond milk, if you're interested. Then I bought these flowers. It's a bouquet of flowers, and I bought them at my local grocery store, Kroger's, and it was only like $7. It wasn't that expensive. Then you're going to need a foot bath spa. Now the foot bath spa, I went ahead and put some water in it, and I put warm water because I wanted my water to be warm. And I put it maybe like 1.5 inches from the top. I didn't want to fill it all the way to the top. Then what I did is I put the milk, the almond milk, the 2 cups of almond milk in the foot bath spa. Then what I did was I got the bouquet of flowers, and what I did is I cut the stem of some of the flowers, and then the other flowers I cut the petals off the flowers, and I sprinkled the petals first on the floor around the bath spa, and then I sprinkled some inside the bath spa. Then what I did is I grabbed some of the flowers, the whole flowers, and I put some on the outside, and then I put some on the inside of the bath spa. Then what I did next is I lit the 4 candles, and I dimmed the lights, and I just enjoyed the foot spa. I hope you guys enjoy your foot spa too. Comment below and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.